Hi everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make kohaku namasu. Kohaku means red and white, and these are festive color or lucky color for Japanese people, so this is one of the dishes we eat on New Year's Day. But you can of course have it all year round. At the end of the video, I will show you how I create a menu with this kohaku namasu as a daily salad, not as a New Year's dish, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need: daikon radish, carrot, 3 tablespoons vinegar, 2 tablespoons sugar, and 1 teaspoon salt. The portion of these two, you can make it as you like, but I like to do it 1 to 5. Let's cut the vegetables. Peel the skin. I'm making it into very thin strips like a mat using mandolin, but if you don't have it, make very thin slices. Like this, and then into mash. But mandolin is much easier. Let's put it in a large bowl and do the same for the carrot. Like this, and put it in the same bowl. Put 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it all together. And leave this for 10 minutes to bring out the moisture. In the meantime, let's make the vinegary sauce. So prepare another large bowl. 3 tablespoons vinegar. 2 tablespoons sugar. Mix it well. And the sauce is ready. It's very easy. It's been 10 minutes and vegetables are wet and wilted. Let's squeeze it really well and put it into the bowl of vinegary sauce. So take some and squeeze it really, really well. Like this. This much water came out from the vegetables. It's a lot. Mix the vegetable with the sauce. Serve in the bowls. And kohaku namasu is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。The sweet sour sauce is very good. It kind of stimulates your appetite. And the texture, I think it will add a nice accent to the whole meal. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 2 side dishes. Kohaku namasu is a side dish, so let's put it here. For the other side dish, I usually have some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade. Kohaku namasu is very light and refreshing, so I want to have something heavy for the main dish. So how about menchikatsu? Plain rice here, tofu miso soup or any other soup you like here, and the combo meal is ready. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!